Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Bluestacks and your accounts. First, install the current Bluestacks release and enable virtualization in BIOS if the installer asks. This boosts performance. Next, sign into your Google account so the Play Store is accessible and grant basic app permissions for storage and microphone. Finally, open Bluestacks settings and allocate resources. Set at least 2 CPU cores and 4 gigs of RAM, because Raid Shadow Legends demands steady resources for smooth gameplay. Once Bluestacks is ready, install Raid Shadow Legends from the Play Store inside the emulator and launch it. After the initial load, go to Bluestacks display settings and pick balanced or high graphics based on the RAM and CPU you allocated. Higher settings improve visuals but may reduce FPS. Then open the key mapping tool. Assign WASD or arrow movement, hotkeys for skills, and an auto battle toggle to speed grinding. Make sure frame rate sync is enabled for stable input responsiveness. To finish, optimize gameplay and learn basic troubleshooting. Enable high FPS and performance mode in Bluestacks, close extraneous apps on your PC, and consider using the instance manager to run multiple accounts. Clone an instance and allocate extra CPU/RAM to each. For stability, keep Bluestacks and your GPU drivers updated. If the game crashes or stutters, reduce in-game graphics, reinstall the emulator, or toggle virtualization. These steps usually resolve performance and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.